I'm a soldier bold, I'm only 25 years old. A finer warrior never was seen, from Inverness to Gretna Green. When I was young my father said he would put me to a decent trade. I didn't like that job at all, so I went and I joined the 43. The wind may blow, the cock may crawl, the rain may rain and the snow may snow, but you wanna fractin' Jock McGraw, the stoutest man in the 43. The corporal who enlisted me, he slapped my back and then said he, a man like you so strong and tall could never be killed by a cannonball. The colonel then when he came round, he looked me up and he looked me down, and then said he, I'll take a guess, you must be the beastie of Loch Ness. The wind may blow, the cock may crawl, the rain may rain and the snow may snow, but you wanna fractin' Jock McGraw, the stoutest man in the 43. Our last battle across the sea, the general he sent after me. When I got there with my big gun, the battle was as good as won, for the enemy they all ran a war. When I saw the size of Big McGraw, a man like me so big and neat, you ken yourself you can never be beat. The wind may blow, the cock may crawl, the rain may rain and the snow may snow, but you wanna fractin' Jock McGraw, the stoutest man in the 42. The king then held a grand review, and we numbered 1,052. The 42 came marching past, and Jock McGraw came marching last. The royal party grabbed their sticks, and all began to stretch their necks. Said the king to the colonel, upon my soul, I took that lad for a telegraph pole. The wind may blow, the cock may crawl, the rain may rain and the snow may snow, but you wanna fractin' Jock McGraw, the stoutest man in the 42. The wind may blow, the cock may crawl, the rain may rain and the snow may snow, but you wanna fractin' Jock McGraw, the stoutest man in the 42.
Stirling brig, Wallace lay a-hiding as the English host frae the south come riding. The river forth atween them baith was roaring, ne'er were the sides, oh the brig go Stirling. Watching frae the wood, Wallace and the Murray, as the English cam wi' the yellow Surrey. Ain by ain they crossed, oh the brig was billing, still they onward cam, oh the brig go Stirling. Wallace gied the shout, put his men come running, stop the English host on the brig go Stirling. Cressing turned round, the brig was small for turning, Murray cut him